Hey, hold on. This is traffic stop.
She goes.
You're not free to go.
No, y'all just pulled me over and I'm parking.
It starts immediately.
Oh, doesn't matter. You put a stop sign back here. Let's take a step back by your car. Take a seat. You're out of the rain.
What, I'm arrested? Y'all arrested me?
The rules that they make up is hilarious. I've seen them pull over to stores. I've seen them pull over. Who does she look like? Squirrel. She looks like somebody. And they get out and say, this wasn't a traffic stop because I'm not in my car anymore at this moment right now. Yeah, but you were. And that's when we initiated. Do I even have to?
I just
I'm
told
trying to
you.
go in the house. How was it a traffic stop? Y'all was all the way down there.
Because you blew the stop sign right there.
What stop sign?
Okay. You got your license and insurance on you?
I got everything on me, but for what?
Okay. Are you failing to identify yourself to me at this moment?
If you looking it up, can't y'all identify? I got everything.
No, I need to see your license and insurance.
It's all in the house.
Okay. What is your name?
Alexa.
First name is Alexa?
Yeah. Did you see my back lights? Because you're in front of me. How are you going to see my black lights?
Because I was going westbound and I flipped around on you when you... Where's your birthday?
April 5th.
April 5th.
Yep.
You see all those other cars stopping for that stop sign right there?
Got everything. Look that shit up. Y'all got a big ass computer now.
I love how the size of the computer matters. Y'all got a big ass computer there.
Just for the judge to throw the case out. Do some petty ass shit. Y'all got nothing else to do. Oh, like this shit is irritating.
It's irritating. Me coming up and just doing this to your ear is, well, I guess irritating. That shit's annoying, but like the cops are in your face. It's a little more stressful than y'all irritate me.
Middle Street Tom,
Y'all
4503.
ass petty as hell. Call y'all white shirts. This shit is annoying.
It's almost like they think that if they talk enough, the guy will get confused. He won't follow through on the radio call, and he'll just go, I forgot what I was doing. All right, cool. We gotta let you go. Is it the guy from Smart Guy? She looks like...
Because you're making this situation...
She looks like Wink from 8 Mile.
It's a big ass hole right there.
That doesn't mean you can pull a stop sign.
Y'all doing too much.
Doing too much, yeah.
My ticket.
Until I get more information.
I don't have to give you shit. All you need is my license, insurance, and registration.
So give it to him, dummy. Holy fuck. I'm not giving you shit. All you need is this, this, and this. Well, can I have it? No, go look it up on the computer. Okay. Cool. Thanks. Thank you.
Bro.
You're about to.
Bro, no. He want my shit.
Yeah, he does, yeah.
It don't matter.
It does. It so does.
Therefore, hey, keep it still. It's her.
I gotta get it. Why are you?
Get over there. Buddy. He just showed up. And immediately, where are you going? If she got it any further, he would have had to chase her on foot. He's like, nope. Long as you're in the arm's length, I'm dragging you back over here. She goes.
Keep it down. You calm down. It's her birthday. It's her birthday, sir. It's her birthday.
It's her birthday, guys. Gotta let her go.
That's how you gotta do. Show your ID, babe.
Can I see the...
Birthday, babe.
No, her birthday's tomorrow.
You gotta calm down, please.
Birthday's tomorrow, sir. She said April 5th.
What's your name and your badge number?
Uh-oh. She asked for the badge number, guys.
Okay, let me get my stuff. We all call y'all white shirts because you're getting rolled up too.
Oh, please. Can you help her? Because she's just frustrated right now. It's her birthday.
That's all. Her birthday's tomorrow. I just keep saying it's her birthday, but it's actually tomorrow.
You trying to be up related to...
Yeah, you know. Just trying to do my thing.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on, baby girl. Don't be like that. Daddy got to. Shut the fuck up.
You weren't supposed to grab her like that, sir.
He was, though. He was destined to grab her like that.
Y'all ass harassing me for no reason.
Yeah, that's what it is. Y'all ass.
What's your name, too?
Alphases. Okay, I'll give you my name, but please have mercy. Please don't ask me for my badge number, because I'll have to run away. That's the scary one. You can't. Don't do it.
You're not listening to commands. That's what happens.
Sir, you told me to grab my stuff.
I didn't tell you anything. You remember how many times I asked you to and you didn't provide it?
What am I in handcuffs
told you to
for?
stop.
Because you're a dick.
Grab my whole jacket. No.
Her whole jacket, too. He didn't grab half of it.
It's not illegal.
Yes, it is. Look how y'all manhandling me. I'm sitting down.
Sit in the car.
Sir, don't pull me. Look at him.
Aha.
Stop.
Get that backside pressure. Here she comes with the shin bones.
Why are you beating on me? Nobody's beating on you. Yes, he did. Stop pushing my foot.
Listen, all you have to do is just put your feet in the car.
I'm not going to jail for him hitting
Look,
me.
listen, we're just trying to get information out of you. Just put your
You
feet in the
told
car.
me to get.
Just calm down
Can I
real
get
quick.
my stuff?
Yes, hold on.
She hit him.
Yeah.
There's no misunderstanding. When she's given a lawful order to stop, provide identification, no excuse for that.
She's never gonna shut up either, ever, like in her life.